Embracing the lunar frontier, the Artemis generation, the moon shines brightly in our night sky. For ages, it has called to us, it has sparked our imagination. Now we're ready to answer. We're on the brink of living on the moon. The Artemis mission, led by NASA and global partners, aims high. It's more than a mission, it's a promise. We're going back to the moon, and this time we're staying. This isn't just for a few, it's for everyone. The Artemis generation is all about inclusivity. People from all backgrounds will join this grand adventure. Together we'll write a new chapter in exploration. Our lunar journey shows the power of teamwork, a symbol of unity for a shared future in space. Exploration is in our DNA. It's what drives progress, leading to discoveries that shape our world. Returning to the moon isn't just about flags and footprints. It's about pushing the limits of knowledge, expanding our understanding of the universe, and inspiring future generations. The moon, once out of reach, is now within our grasp. It's a stepping stone, a launch pad for even bigger missions. What we learn on the moon will help us explore Mars and beyond. The Artemis generation is starting a story that will take humanity to new horizons. A symphony of collaboration, orchestrating a moon mission. The success of the Artemis mission hinges on an intricate tapestry of collaboration. This is not just a NASA mission, it is a global endeavor. International space agencies, private companies, and research institutions are pooling their expertise, resources, and unwavering dedication to make this lunar dream a tangible reality. Imagine the best minds on Earth coming together. Scientists and engineers from around the globe, united by a shared passion for discovery, are collaborating to design, build, and test every component of this intricate mission. Their collective intelligence, fueled by decades of experience and a spirit of unyielding determination, is propelling humanity toward this monumental achievement. The mission profile itself is a testament to meticulous planning and coordination. From the initial launch to the lunar landing and the eventual return to Earth, every stage of the journey is carefully choreographed. Trajectories are calculated, risks are assessed, and contingencies are planned for. This meticulous attention to detail is what will allow us to take calculated risks, overcome unforeseen challenges, and ultimately succeed in our mission. This global partnership extends beyond the technical aspects of the mission. It represents a shared commitment to advancing our understanding of the universe and pushing the boundaries of human potential. The Artemis mission is a testament to what we can achieve when we set aside our differences and work together toward a common goal. It is a beacon of hope, a shining example of the extraordinary things humanity can accomplish when united by a shared purpose. From Earth's embrace to lunar soil, a journey of daring. The journey to the moon will be a testament to human ingenuity and daring. It all begins with a fiery ascent from Earth as the powerful Space Launch System, SLS rocket, thrusts the Orion spacecraft skyward. The roar of the engines, a symphony of controlled energy, will signal the start of a journey unlike any other. As the spacecraft escapes Earth's gravitational pull, the crew will witness our planet shrinking below. The blue marble of Earth, suspended in the vast blackness of space, will serve as a poignant reminder of both the fragility and the resilience of our home planet. Upon reaching lunar orbit, the crew will transition to the Human Landing System, HLS, a specialized spacecraft designed for the final descent to the moon's surface. The landing will be a moment of both exhilaration and relief, marking the culmination of years of planning and preparation. The first steps on the lunar surface will be etched in history. These pioneers, the modern-day descendants of the Apollo astronauts, will carry the hopes and dreams of humanity as they embark on this new chapter of exploration. Their initial task will focus on establishing a foothold on the moon, setting up scientific instruments, and collecting lunar samples for analysis. Each footstep, each experiment, each discovery will pave the way for a sustained human presence on the moon. Building a home among the stars, lunar habitats. Take shape. Establishing a permanent presence on the moon requires more than just visiting. It necessitates the creation of a sustainable lunar base, a place where humans can live, work, and thrive for extended periods. This is where the ingenuity of three-dimensional printing and the abundance of lunar regolith come into play. Imagine giant three-dimensional printers guided by sophisticated software, meticulously layering lunar regolith, the loose, dusty material covering the moon's surface, to construct robust and airtight habitats. These structures, designed to withstand the harsh lunar environment, will serve as the foundation for a permanent human settlement on the moon. These lunar habitats will be more than just shelters. They will be homes away from home. They will be designed to provide a comfortable and habitable environment for the lunar inhabitants, with life support systems that mimic the conditions on Earth. Advanced filtration systems will ensure a constant supply of breathable air, while temperature and humidity controls will maintain a comfortable living environment. The habitats will also be equipped with radiation shielding to protect the inhabitants from the harmful effects of solar and cosmic radiation. Large windows will offer breathtaking views of the lunar landscape, reminding the residents of the extraordinary environment they now call home. The lunar habitats, a testament to human ingenuity, will serve as a sanctuary, a beacon of human resilience amidst the stark beauty of the lunar landscape. Sustainability on the Moon, a closed-loop symphony. Sustainability is at the forefront of lunar living. To minimize our reliance on Earth-based resources, we must embrace a closed-loop system on the Moon. This means utilizing the resources available on the lunar surface to sustain life and support our activities. Solar energy will be our primary power source. Vast arrays of solar panels, strategically positioned to maximize sunlight exposure, will convert the sun's energy into electricity, powering the lunar base and all its operations. Hydroponic gardens will provide a sustainable source of fresh food. These gardens, utilizing a nutrient-rich water solution instead of soil, will allow us to cultivate a variety of crops, enhancing both the nutrition and the morale of the lunar inhabitants. Water, a precious commodity in space, will be carefully conserved and recycled. Advanced filtration systems will purify wastewater for reuse, while systems designed to capture and condense moisture from the lunar atmosphere will supplement our water supply. Every drop of water will be treated as the valuable resource it is, ensuring the long-term sustainability of our lunar outpost. Waste management will be another crucial aspect of lunar living. Advanced recycling systems will process waste materials, transforming them into valuable resources that can be used to create new products or generate energy. Nothing will be wasted. The lunar base will function as a self-sustaining ecosystem, a testament to our commitment to responsible and sustainable living beyond Earth.